Hi, kumusta pa kayong lahat dyan? Ako pa si Levi. Today we're gonna be cooking chicken adobo. This one is one of my favorite dish. So let's get busy. So here's all the ingredient. Chopped garlic, chopped onion, bay leaf, whole peppercorn, black pepper, ground, oyster sauce, chicken mix powder, brown sugar, vinegar, soy sauce, water, potato, boiled eggs, and here's the meat. This is pork butt or shoulder, and we got chicken thigh and chicken breast. So let's start cooking. First, I put my water. Then add the pork. Brown sugar. Chicken powder. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. I don't want to waste anything. Vinegar. Black pepper and whole pepper. Onion. Garlic, bay leaf, the chicken thigh, so basically I'm putting the chicken thigh, and I'm gonna do the chicken breast when the chicken thigh and pork is almost cooked, because basically the chicken breast takes 10 minutes to cook it. Okay. Okay, so there's a brown chicken, the brown meat. Now I'm gonna add the potato. The reason why I'm adding the potato, I want it a little bit moist. I mean, mushed, basically. So let's bring it to the boil. That's basically, this is all what you need to cook chicken adobo. Okay, let's cover it up and cook it at least 25 minutes before adding the chicken breast. Let's cover it up. So now the chicken has been boiling for approximately 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the chicken breast. Chicken breast should cook maximum 10 minutes. There's the chicken breast. So guys, after 35 minutes, the chicken adobo is cooked and ready to be served. Now I'm gonna touch it. Here, I want to do this. This is how you cook chicken adobo. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's so yummy. That's how you cook chicken adobo from Levi's. Thank you for watching.